If you're short like me, I'm 5'2", finding pants that fit is hard. Finding pants that actually make your legs look longer, even harder. I've just spent a whole week trying on pretty much everything on the market, and I narrowed it down. These pairs I'm about to show you not only fit, but also make your legs look elongated. Go in order of straight leg, boot cut, and wide leg. I'm tagging everything I'm wearing here on YouTube Shopping so you don't have to leave the video while you shop or scan the QR code to go to my blog post. Everything is also linked down below in the description box. I also got a free ebook for you, the top 10 petite essentials. Click here to download for free. Starting with this pair from J. Crew Factory, 25-inch inseam, higher rise, right around my belly button, about 10.5 inches. This may seem like the most basic kind of pants, but every petite woman need to have at least one pair, because when you pair this with black shoes, I'm going with my pointed toe, black booties, your legs immediately look 3-inch longer. Whenever you're not sure what to wear, you're gonna reach out for this pair because it's that kind of easy everyday pants and it looks good with everything. Length is right around my ankles. It goes with either flats or heels. Pairing it with my Quince merino wool half zip sweater. This is an outfit I can wear to the office or meet with my girlfriends for lunch. Now this pair from Quince looks so similar, but when you put it on, you're gonna notice quite a bit of difference because the fabrics are different. The pair from J. Crew Factory is very typical dress pants kind of feel. It stretches, but not as stretchy as this pair. This pair more feel like legging, but it looks like dress pants. Length is also the same. This pair is also 25-inch inseam, but it feels like it's slightly shorter than the pair from J. Crew Factory. And this is high rise as well, right above my belly button, so about 10.5 inch in the rise. I love the Ponte fabrics. In the front, it feels like it's cinching my waist, but in the right way because the fabrics goes with your curves, and in the back, that's the best part. It really gives you that butt lift. For a casual outfit, I like to wear this with my zip-up cashmere sweater. This one is also from Quince. This is good for weekends, travel, or lounging. But when I switch this to a wool coat outerwear, now this is my office outfit. Now this pair from Low & Gray at Loft, it's my first time trying the pants and it worked out to be perfect. 24.5-inch inseam, high rise, around 11 inches because this is above my belly button. This is a petite size. I'm wearing a small petite. Fabrics is very lightweight. Where I live, this is more like a spring kind of fabrics. So I'm gonna wait till the weather gets warmer to wear outside. But right now, I can wear this inside as lounge pants, but if you live in a warmer place, you can wear this your everyday pants right now. Wider waistband, that's more comfortable. It's not digging and also give you better waist cinching effect. In the back, elastic waist. For those of us who carry more weight in our tummy, it's very comfortable. Also got 2 pockets on the side with zippers. This is a perfect casual lounge / travel pants. I'm wearing a gray color, but it also comes in a black. I went with my typical size with the Loft, small petite. It turned out to be slightly looser than I'd expected because it's got an elastic waist in the back. So if you're in between sizes like me, you may want to go with your smaller size. Sweater vest I got from Quince, and its flats are Amazon Basics. It's surprisingly comfortable. I just got this from Quince. The moment I tried it on, it wowed me. Believe me, that does not happen very often, especially when I try on pants. The shape of the pants is so flattering. It's fitted on your thighs and under your knees, it gradually flares out. But what really wowed me is how it makes my buttocks look really nice and perky. It's made of thick Ponte fabrics, medium weight. I can wear this year round and get a lot of use out of it. 28-inch inseam is what I'm wearing. It comes in 3 different lengths and 5 different color options: navy, gray, camel, and olive. And the price is only $39. I want it in every color. Pairing it with a merino wool sweater, slightly cropped, and this combo always make a short woman look taller. Petite Perfect pants from Taylor are these pants I'm wearing. I bought it back in spring. I got in 2 colors, the white and the beige. I love both pairs. Inseam is 28.5 inches. Rise is a little above my belly button, so around 11 inches. I love how it's really cinching my waist, and because it reaches the smallest part of my torso, it gives me a nice hourglass shape, even though I don't have much of a natural waist definition. The beige looks more like work pants. Whenever I'm not sure what to wear to the office, this is my go-to, and it makes every outfit look more expensive. But it doesn't have to be just for work. When I pair it with bow neck cashmere sweater, this one is from Quince, one of my favorites. It looks casual and relaxed, and now I can go to any casual occasion. Now the white, this is my secret weapon this time of the year. A lot of women tend to put away their white pants after summer. Don't! Winter whites are one of the best ways to dress. I love wearing winter whites. It always makes any outfit look more expensive and more festive. You can do a silk blouse with white pants, and that is ready for any work parties, and it works for the day and night. Or you can do monochromatic from head to toe. It elongates and always flatters a short girl. Aritzia effortless pants cropped. For those of you who's been watching me for a while, you probably already know I've worn these pants for so many times. I've had it since spring. Today, it's still one of my favorite pair. The best part is the fabrics. This is their unique crepe fabrics. It's supposed to never wrinkle. I've been wearing this standing, walking, and sitting down. I have not noticed any wrinkle. It is slightly pricier than most of my other pants, but it's totally worth it. Rise is around 11.5 inches. It's above my belly button. The length is shorter. It's a cropped pants, about 24 inches. For those of you with shorter legs, this pair definitely is gonna fit you. Or maybe you just like a pair of cropped pants because it's so easy to wear, and especially in warmer months. Comes in 7 different colors. Black is a classic. Cold gray is always a nice neutral that goes with everything. And nomad top is very expensive looking in person. Price is $148. I know that's not cheap. For me, that's worth every penny because I've gotten so many use out of it. I have found a very similar pair for you that's half the price. I'm gonna show you in just a second. Because I love this pair so much, I decided to try their full-length version. Okay, here's the tricky part. A lot of women get confused about it. The one I just showed you is a cropped version. They do have a full version, which they make a short length. However, it's supposed to be 28 inches. I feel like it's longer than 28 inches. This is how it looks on me. It can work if I were to wear 3-inch heels. My legs are actually shorter than most 5'2", 7 women. My leg length is very comparable to those of you 5'1" and under. So on me, this is a tad longer than what I'm used to, unless I'm willing to walk in high heels all the time. But this could very well work out for you because I know a lot of you are long leg petites. So with heels, you can probably make it work. This is about 29-inch inseam. Quince crepe wide leg pants. This is a pair I was about to tell you. It looks so similar to the Aritzia effortless pants. I actually stumbled upon it while I was searching for a replacement for the full version of the Aritzia effortless pants. This is 28-inch inseam. They make 3 different lengths, and this is a true 28-inch inseam because it works on me with low heels. Now the price is the best part. This is less than half of the price. This is only $69, but it looks so similar. Of course, it's not exactly the same. The fabrics are not exactly the same, but this is still crepe fabrics. The one from Aritzia is a Japanese crepe fabrics. That is unique to Aritzia, and this is a Quince version of the crepe fabrics, but for the price, it can't get better than this. Even the color looks so similar. It's almost identical. Actually, I'm pairing this with my Aritzia vest. It looks like a set. Comes in 8 different colors, one of Quince's top sellers. I'm also eyeing the coastal gray, brown, and black. I am so glad you finished the entire video. On my channel, I talk about all things petite. Anything that is really hard for petites, that's my topic. I also do a lot of try-on hauls. Anything that petite women find it hard to find. Long coats, tall boots, I do a try-on haul. So check back on my channel every week. If you haven't yet, make sure you sign up for my newsletter below. I will see you in the next video.